Hello peeps. Right, I'm very excited how this is going so far. I decided I wanted to make something with some fabric paints that I'd had for Christmas. I haven't painted with fabric paints for about 25 years when I was at college, so yeah, I was excited to get them for Christmas, and so I thought I'd make something. So I started off by looking through the internet for images, and this is only for my daughter, so I wasn't too worried about copyright or anything like that, because I'm not going to sell it or anything like that. So I found an image, and my daughter loves Pusheen, so I found an image that I thought was bright and vibrant, and my daughter loves cupcakes and sweets, as most 10-year-olds do. So yeah, so I went with this one. So I freehand drawed the design on some paper, then I went over it in black pen, put the paper underneath, because these bags are pretty thin so I could see the design underneath. And then I painted. I painted 2 coats, as I found some of them more opaque than others. Possibly the pink could have had a 3rd coat. It's alright, but it's slightly more transparent than the other 2. And then I used some of the silver and gold to give it a little bit of sparkle, because you know I love sparkle. Yeah, so that's where we are. I've peeled off it did go through, which is why I left the paper underneath where I painted, and it did adhere to the paper underneath. So I may try something a little bit more like tracing paper or something like that, that perhaps would come away a bit easier. But it wasn't a problem. I've just peeled it away, and then the excess paper that's stuck underneath, when I wash it, that will come off anyway. So I'm just about to, it's been drying now for several hours, so I'm just about to iron on the reverse and set it, and then we'll come back when it's actually finished. I shouldn't expect, well, I'm hoping that setting it on the other side won't change the image at all, but we'll soon find out. I'll put some tissue down, and we'll see if there's any transfer onto the tissue, any bleeding or anything like that. So it just says to set the paint, iron the back using medium heat for approximately 5 minutes. So yeah, we'll go with that, and we'll see how we go. Let's get cracking. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I love it. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. There's a little bit of paper left on the other side, but I did get most of it off, but that will come, I'll sponge that off. I'm going to leave this now for about 24 hours before, because I've read that it's better if you leave it for 24 hours before you wash it. So I'll do that, and I'll just sponge the backing off then. But it's a bit stiffer, but it's still flexible. Won't make any difference to the use of the bag at all. Absolutely love it. I can't believe how pretty it is. I can't believe how it's turned out. I'm so chuffed. I'll have to get designing some more things, and yeah, we'll see. But my little girl's going to be so excited. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. You are so appreciated. It's unreal. And yeah, Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope you're all safe and well. Take care. Bye bye.